To get the Open Edition up and running, simply visit the portal and open the Product Download tile. Here you'll be able to download the latest version of the Open Edition, here named Planet 9, and just download it for your correct operating system. In this case, I've downloaded it for Mac, and here all we need to do is unzip the file and then right-click it and say New Terminal at Folder. If we expand the folder, we can see inside is the Planet 9 Darwin executable. If we write / and press tab, we can run this executable. It's likely that your standard configuration of your macOS will require you to change some security settings to actually run this the first time. So it will tell you that it cannot be opened. That's okay. Simply go to your system settings, to privacy and security, and hit allow anyway. Go back to the terminal, run the command again, and hit open. You may run into this issue one more time as it runs the node executable. Allow this again within your privacy and security settings, and then run a third time. Once you see starting engine and that the instance has gone online, you can open a new tab, navigate to your local host on port 8080, and you can then log in with admin. I recommend in the top right, you expand the navigation list by default and ensure that you display application recommendations. These recommendations will show when you open a specific application within the cockpit, for example, the API designer. If you expand the side panel here, you'll see that it recommends other similar tools.